Okay, let's try another one. So, ang given natin is p of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 5. So, let me show you the two methods. So, the first method tayo, using the remainder theorem. Okay? So, we have p of, kunin muna natin ito, yung opposite ng positive 2, that is negative 2. So, magiging p of negative 2 yan is equal to 2 times negative 2 cube minus 5. So, remainder theorem, wala tayong problema. Kahit may mawalang term dyan, okay lang. Okay? Kasi evaluate lang naman natin. So, we have p of negative 2 equals, work out muna natin yung exponent. So, we have 2 times, so negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Okay? So, negative times negative, positive times negative, that's negative. So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Basta tandaan nyo, kapag may negative dyan, kapag odd number yung bilang niya, laging negative yung sagot dyan. Kung even number yan, laging positive. Katulad nito, dalawang negative, so positive yan, automatic. Tatlong negative, negative yan. Kapag yan naging apat, even number yan, so ibig sabihin positive sila. Kapag naging 5 yan, automatic negative. Laging ganon. Kung 7 yan, let's say negative 1 raised to 7. So 7 to, odd number yan. So automatic, and then this is negative. So ang sagot dyan is negative. Okay? So we have negative 8 here, minus 5. Next, p of negative 2 is 2 times negative 8, that's negative 16 minus 5. So, p of negative 2 is negative. So, add lang natin yan simply because same sign. So, 21, and then add and keep. Basta pag nag-add ka, laging keep the sign, no? So, same sign, add and keep. So, keep nyo lang yung sign. Kung pare silang negative, edi negative ang sagot. Okay, so that's the answer. So, the remainder is negative 21. So, yan ang remainder. Let's use synthetic. Second method tayo. Oops. So, second method, using synthetic. So, sa synthetic, kailangan nakaayos sila. At kailangan yung mga nawawalang term is kailangan lagyan ng 0. Okay? So, i-move ko lang to, yung seat work nyo. Move lang natin. So, ba? Okay? So, yan. Second method na tayo. So, the degree is 3. So, di ba pag degree is 3, kailangan sunod-sunod yan. So, x cubed, x squared, x, and then constant. So, tandaan nyo lang yun. Basta sunod-sunod lang yan. So, ayusin lang natin. So, 2. Siyempre, mauna yan. Kasi x cubed, ang numerical nun is 2. Okay, so 2x cubed. Ngayon, walang x squared. So, kapag walang x squared, maglalagay ka lang ng plus 0x squared. Next is wala ding x. So, plus 0x plus c. Ang c natin, that's the constant, and that is negative 5 pala. Okay? So, negative 5. So, i-divide natin yan ng x plus 2. Okay? So, kunin natin yung numerical 2, 0, 0, negative 5. Ang pandi-divide natin is the opposite of positive 2, and that is negative 2. Yun ang di-divide natin doon. Okay? So, bring down. So, negative 2 times positive 2, that's negative 4. So, since 0 yan, bring down nyo lang yung negative 4. Negative times negative, that's positive. 2 times 4, that's positive 8. And that is positive 8. Next, negative 2 times positive 8, that's negative 16. Add lang natin since same sign. So, same sign yan. So, we have 21 and then keep the sign which is negative. So, negative 21 is the remainder. So, which is the same. Doon sa nakuha natin kanina. So, that's the use of the remainder theorem. Kung ang hinahanap mo lang is remainder, pwede mo lang gamitin yung remainder theorem or what we call the evaluating function. Okay?